Hello, everybody, and welcome to ticker symbol INY Invest in Yourself YouTube channel. I just want to go ahead and thank you for clicking on this video. The YouTube God has truly blessed me with your beautiful existence in this channel. So please, if you like the stock market, this channel's for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Be one of the very first people to join the party of learning and growing together. So, to get this channel started off, I just want to briefly tell you my story. So, trading in general has made me a much more disciplined person. I went from sleeping till 1, 2 o'clock every day to actually waking up, getting ready for the day, loving the mornings, love waking up early, tracking trades, reading books, exercising, practicing meditation, doing all these things in order just to improve my trading. Like, that is just crazy to me, and I know it's possible to others. I was the kid I literally did nothing. But now here I am, evolved from where I was in a much better spot, and I have trading to thank for that. And so I just want to spread my love for trading through this channel, and I want to help others who maybe be in that same spot I was, and help you grow and help you fall in love with this and help you not blow up accounts like I did. I started on Robinhood, like I'm sure many people are now doing. I had no clue what I was doing at all. I found a few videos. Timothy Sykes was the first person that I saw. So of course you know how that went. I threw $1,000 into Robinhood, bought tops, and lost all my money in about a week. So I did that a few times. I blew up 2 or 3 accounts in my life. But then once I started becoming more disciplined, I started really figuring out the craft and managing risk more properly, not trying to get rich in one day, just taking my small wins and losing even smaller. That's the name of the game, and I've become profitable now. I haven't blown up account in a long time, so that's good news. But yeah, that's just a quick little brief history lesson of yours truly. And so now with that being said, quickly I just want to tell you the goal of this channel. The goal of this channel is to spread knowledge of the stock market. I'm just going to be giving you my perspective of things. I'm going to try and upload every day. That's the goal. I'm going to give you, first we're going to look at the broader markets. We're going to look at the buy a lot. That's mainly what I'm trading right now. But we're going to be looking at that along with other stocks that I'm potentially trading, trade setups I'm looking at. And we're also going to review all my trades that I go through, good and bad, because we could learn in both ways. And I just want to help you learn. I want to learn, and I want to meet you guys. I want to talk to you guys, and I want to learn from you as well. I hope to get some of my subscribers that are also traders on here, and we could get their perspectives in the market. And let's just have a good old time. Let's have some fun, and let's enjoy the market together. Let's start this off. This is the futures right now. I'm just taking a nice look, see how tomorrow is going to go. Right now we have a pretty good support right there, 271. So we'll see how well that holds overnight. It's tough to say. I feel like we're going to be gapping down. That's what I'm going to be looking for. We're pretty weak right now. Crazy day today. We broke through this bullish channel that was going on. We broke below it, and that is a sign for all the bears to start licking their lips, in my opinion. So I'm going to be looking for some bearish plays here coming up. And that's just my perspective right now. If we look at the 20-day 1 hour, that's how I like to kind of get a sense of the market trend. And it's clearly bullish. It was clearly, bouncing off this, coming up, beautiful moves. it blew my mind the whole way up, though, if I'm being honest. That just, it blew a lot of people's minds. It blew my mind. And now we're here. And we broke that line. The next line that I'm really looking forward to breaking is 272, 271 area. Once we break that, we really don't have much left to 264. And that's kind of how I'm going to be. That's what my eye is definitely going to be looking for in the following days. So now let's go through some other ones. Let's look at Square. Square has been in a distribution here for a little bit, for a few days. So I'm just watching this one closely. I'm going to be looking for some puts on a day trade. If we could break this 56, the low of really this candle, 56.63, if we could break that, tomorrow or something, maybe the next day, maybe we might bounce a little bit, come back up here, test here. But I'll definitely be looking for a bearish trade under there. And of course bullish over there, but I don't think that's where we're headed. So let's keep this rolling. Let's look at AMD. AMD had a crazy day, down 7% after a really good run. But right here, this is a retest gap. If you guys don't know, a retest gap is when a bullish candle gaps up to another bullish candle, leaves that space, and it rolled over and retested. That's that retest gap right there. So it finally retested. I think we're going to bounce here a little bit. It'll be interesting to see what happens when we get up to here again. But we do have earnings coming up on the 28th. So that could be a catalyst to shoot for new highs. But with all this going on right now, who knows how it's going to affect earnings season. So we will see. Now let's take a look at Shaq. Shaq has been getting pummeled recently. I mean, just, oh my God. This thing was at 105. Almost filled that gap completely, and then just goner. So now we're looking pretty strong right here. Like, this is a pretty good a lot of pressure building up right here. There was a lot of selling pressure a few days, or about a week ago here, but now we're starting to creep up on it. Yeah, I'm bullish. I'm bullish above 48.57. If we could get a close above there, we could go pretty high. We could come back and test this 57 area. So that's what I'm going to be looking for, is to trade this area bullish. And that could be happening here tomorrow if you get an entry. All right, now let's look at Docu. Docu has been extremely bullish. Another one that's kind of up here in a distribution phase. Let's look at the 20. Extremely bullish in the 20, but now starting to kind of decide where it's going. And I'm going to remain bullish on this one. I mean, there's no real signs of it breaking down besides just how great of a run it's been on, but if it does break down, I mean, maybe you could snag some shares at 92 before it going back up. But I think this one could break out and just keep making some new highs. So I'll be looking to maybe get in tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Maybe try and get a dip buy at 96. That's how I'll be playing that. And then let's just look at Netflix. They had earnings today, and everybody and their mother was expecting amazing earnings. As you can tell, they just went soaring the last week or two, and that is one of the reasons I did not play it. And my God, earnings was quite mixed. I suppose I didn't look at it, but all that to end right about the same. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what Netflix does, but I'll be looking for a pullback either. I'm going to see how it handles this 415 level. We might get a quick bounce off of it, maybe something good for a day trade off of that level. If not, I'll be looking to pick up shares around 393. So that is my first ever stock review for you guys. If you want to see me cover some different companies in the next video, just go ahead and comment what you want to see, and I will get to it. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one.